Welcome to another episode of the Finboot Dictionary. Today, we're diving into biogas, a fascinating renewable energy source with the potential to reshape the future of energy. Did you know that biogas could replace up to 20% of the world's natural gas consumption while cutting global greenhouse gas emissions significantly? Pretty amazing, right? So, what exactly is biogas? It is produced by the digestion of organic matter, like food scraps, in a sealed, oxygen-free environment called a digester. During this process, bacteria break down the waste in 4 stages, ultimately producing a mixture of 60% methane and 40% carbon dioxide. Here are 3 key reasons why biogas is so important. 1. It's a perfect example of a circular economy solution, turning waste into valuable energy. 2. Biogas can be used to power vehicles, generate electricity, and heat homes. 3. Biogas production can result in up to a 240% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. However, the biogas industry faces the challenge of demonstrating its sustainability through various certifications and regulatory requirements. This is where digital traceability solutions, such as Finboot's Marco Track and Trace platform, play a vital role. By employing the mass balance approach, our solution enables producers to track materials throughout the entire supply chain, from feedstock to end product. This process ensures the integrity of sustainability claims, facilitates regulatory compliance, opens doors to premium markets, and fosters stakeholder trust in the growing renewable energy sector. If you're interested in this topic, check out our ebook on biogas and traceability. Until next time.